to my channel. This is Joby May. Hello guys, so I would like to show you all the things that we bought from the supermarket this midday. Lakota and I went to the supermarket, and yes, I will show it to you now guys. I will show you all the things that we bought. In here we have two kinds of tomatoes. This one is for bread guys. We spread this on top of the bread, and this one is also for cooking. So ayan, this is for cooking and this is for the bread spread. And we also bought mandarins. Yes, mandarins, and 3 pieces of sweet potato because I want to plant sweet potatoes, so I bought this one. Maybe I cannot find sweet potatoes anymore this time or very soon. That is why guys I bought this, and I'm going to keep it and wait until I will plant it very soon. Lakota is quite noisy. She's playing with her dad. And I also bought these yellow onions and Lakota's diaper. Yes, so Lakota's diaper, she's using these pants. Yes, and also I would like to try to drink this milk again guys, because I am drinking rice milk. This is cow's milk, so I would like to try it again. So we have these 3 liters of extra virgin olive oil. Yes, and I bought the supermarket brand. It's okay. And 3 packs of this tomato sauce. It's only €2 this one guys. And here I have this romaine lettuce. Yeah, I miss salad, so we are going to have this salad perhaps tonight. And this one is una safata para caldo. This one is yes guys, this one is for soup. Yeah, herbs for soup. And also we have these. What are these darling? What is strawberries? Yes, madusha. It's quite expensive, but yeah, the kids love it, and yeah, we bought it. And look what I found guys. We have brotes de soja. So we found these tuge guys, or how they call this, mongo sprouts guys. Yeah, I would like to cook mongo with tofu guys. Yes, it is really so good and very healthy. Yes, so I bought this one. And we have 2 big red peppers here guys. I would love to bake these ones guys. Yes, and also this one is eggplant. I bought 2 kinds of eggplant guys. This one and this one guys is, you know, parang may stripes siya, and this one is the common eggplants. Yeah, I will roast these eggplants and the red peppers or red bell peppers. Yes guys, and it is really good. This one is for cooking. And I also bought these tricolor peppers. These are sweet. Yes darling. Yes, yes, Frankfurt is for Russell. Yes, eggs, very good darling, good job. Lakota wants to do the whole guys. What else darling? Do you like eggs? Yes. Okay, what about this darling? What are these? Milks. Yes, very good, but no need to lift it darling. No need, just leave it there. Yes, here. Yeah, thank you. And I also bought 3 avocados. She likes Elsa so much, especially the song of Elsa, Let It Go. Lakota, let it go. Very good. Okay, so let's continue our haul. And we bought also 2 toothpaste. One is herbal and the other one is triple action. Yes, a dozen of eggs. And also this Tetra Brick milk for Lakota, a bottle of olives, as we love to put in our salads or for appetizers sometimes. Yes, Cookie. And as Lakota said, this Frankfurt is for Russell. Yes, and we have a kilo of rice. We have these wild fruits, guys, wild fruits. We have this wild fruits yogurt, another Oikos yogurt, and we have also these corn in can for our salads. So I bought 6. Yes, because I'm running out of that one. And we also bought this one, guys, gelatin, as the kids, they like it, and 2 of these for croissants, yes, or for apple pies. And this chicken is for Russell. Yes, I'm going to boil this one is for Russell, everyone. I bought this. Normally the price is $4.51, and today they have this 30% discount, so I bought it, this one. Yes. And these 5 kilos of potatoes, as we use potatoes so much. We cook mashed potatoes sometimes, and of course also for our dog with the vegetables. And 2 of these bread, guys. Haley loves to eat this bread sometimes with ham, guys. And yeah, so these are the things that we bought, everyone. Konti lang, diba? But this one is 114 euros all. Oh my god. And this one, guys, this one is a bonus. I didn't buy this one. This is free. And this one is 28 centimeter. And malaki siya, guys, as you can see that malaki siya. So I got this one for free, guys, because every 10 euros they give you one coupon or 1 point. Once you got 60 points, and then you will have, once you have 60 points, you can get it free, guys. So 60 points is free, it says here. Or if you only have 30 points plus 14 euros, guys, this one. But because I have accumulated 60 points, kaya I got it for free. You can get all these, guys, for free or half price. Yes. So kung bumibili kami, guys, I always take I always keep yung points namin. So yun. Actually this is my second free purchase na, guys. Yes. The other one is it's like this. The size is 28 also, but it is shorter. Yes, this one is tall and the other one is shorter. It's more like not that flat, but yeah, it's shorter than this one. I will show you. I will show you here. So ito yung nakuha ko, guys. This is the one that I got it, and the other day I got also this one. Yes. Yes, and I want to take this one also. This one is 50 points, and I only have 5 points, yes, left. So sana nga makuha ko, kasi wala akong nakita doon. Paubos na eh. Maraming mga tao na bumibili din. And yes, guys, or maybe they doing also like me, or maybe they keep also, guys, yung mga points nila. So yes, guys, these are the things that we bought today. Oh yes, I forgot to show you, guys. I bought also fish. So I also bought half a salmon and sea bass, guys. 2 sea bass. Yeah. So yun, guys.